Good afternoon. A federal judge will now decide if a man suspected of being a serial rapist will have his case dismissed. A jury found Timothy Bachicha guilty of federal kidnapping charges in connection with those accused sexual assaults. But today, his attorney told a judge the case should be dismissed because this is not a federal case. News 13's Bello Alonga explains what happened in federal court.
Timothy Bachicha nodded his head in agreement while in court today, as his attorney said his case has been infected since the beginning. A recent case similar to Bachicha's was dismissed because it didn't meet the requirements to be processed in federal court. The defense argued Bachicha's charges should also be dismissed and that he should be released, saying, quote, Bachicha was not properly charged. While the prosecution argued since he used a commercial semi-truck to transport one of the women along Interstate 25, the feds did have the jurisdiction to charge him. Bachicha was a suspect in 8 rape cases from 2018 to years earlier, each of which involved prostitutes. The state charged him for several of the rapes, but went on to drop the charges so the federal government could pursue their own case. After both sides went back and forth for over an hour, the judge said he would not be giving a decision this afternoon. Both women testified against Bachicha during the 2023 federal trial, saying they suffered violent attacks at his hand, one of them being held for over 16 hours.
It is so important that we get men like him to be held accountable for this, because he'll just keep doing it.
While Bachicha faces up to 2 life sentences under his conviction, if the judge grants the motion to dismiss, he could be released. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Bella. The Bernalillo County District Attorney's Office said since it's still a federal case, they do not have a comment at this time. The state does have the option to reopen the rape cases against Bachicha if the federal case is dismissed.